Step number 7 of the home buying process is your appraisal. All right, an appraisal protects you as the home buyer to make sure that the value is in the property that you are purchasing. All right, let's think about it this way. We're gonna hire an appraiser. They're gonna go out and look at the property that you are purchasing. Their job is to confirm what the current market value of that home is. So they've looked at your home that you're gonna be purchasing. They're gonna look at least 3 other homes that have already sold, typically within 6 months, typically within a mile or 2 of your property that you're purchasing, and as similar to your property as possible. Essentially what they're looking for is the data in the market, are the sales in the market now supporting the property that you're purchasing? All right, and what they're looking for is the most recent sales as close to the property that you're purchasing and in close proximity as they can. They're going to put together a report for us. We're going to send that appraisal through our underwriting staff to make sure that it is a solid appraisal and that the value is there. As soon as that appraisal is completed, we're going to share a copy of that with you. All right, and there's 3 different things that can happen with appraisal. All right, the value comes in exactly at the value that you've got, and that is absolutely perfect. Everything moves forward, we're great. The value comes in higher than the purchase agreement that you put together in your contract. Again, great, nothing changes. You don't have to change the purchase price, don't have to change your loan amount, anything. It stays exactly the way it is. You've just gotten a little bonus on your Christmas present of having a little extra value or equity in that property. The third one though is if a value comes in less than what you've agreed to pay the purchase price on, and that is when we have some options for you, all right? Typically what happens is you're gonna reach out to the seller, the agent will do that on your behalf, and they're gonna reach out and say, hey, the appraisal came in $2,000 short of what we had agreed upon. We've got a couple different options at that point. As the buyer, you can walk away from the transaction because the appraisal didn't come in at the value that you agreed to purchase it at. Or you could go back to the seller, renegotiate the purchase contract, and have a new value at that appraised value. Or thirdly, you can make up the difference, whatever that, if it's $2,000 as the appraisal came in lower, you can make up that difference at closing, all right? So essentially the appraisal is confirming the market value of your home, and you're protected by that purchase agreement if the appraisal doesn't come in at that value. So that's step number 7, the appraisal in the process.